Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you chat on WhatsApp. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your WhatsApp application. Firstly, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application into your PC. And after opening the WhatsApp application, you will get this chat section here. You just simply have to go to chat section, and after that you can see this search or start a new chat option here. You just simply have to click into that, and after that search for the contact that you want to chat with, and after searching the chat you just simply have to select the contact that you are searching for. Step 2. Start the chat. Now after selecting the contact that you want to chat with, you just simply have to write your message down here and send it to the person. This way you can easily chat with anyone into your WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.